Hello, my dear friends. Today we are exploring one of Tamil Nadu's most beautiful and mysterious destinations, Kolli Hills, also known as the Mountain of Death. Our journey begins in my home, the historic city of Tanjore. You can spot many such plantations on the foot of Kolli Hills. We were so excited to watch the hills appear as the noise of the city faded. The journey truly came alive as we reached the iconic 70 hairpin bends. It's a challenge for drivers but also a bliss for those who love scenic road trips. If you see that this is one hairpin bend, there are 70 such hairpin bends. You can spot these hairpin bend indicators near all the 70 bends while climbing the hill. Halfway above the hill, we had a quick stop for lunch, even though we were quite scared of the monkeys there. But amidst the adrenaline, the breathtaking views of the valleys kept reminding us why this daring journey was so worth it. After conquering the thrilling 70 hairpin bends, we were greeted by a moment straight out of a dream. As we stepped out of the car, we found ourselves surrounded by clouds, soft, white, and almost within reach. It felt like we were flying and floating in it. The laughter of my family filled the air. It was one of those rare moments where time seems to stand still. We couldn't resist capturing this memory forever, so we gathered together and took family pictures. Reminded me of how travel isn't just about the places we visit, but the moments we create together. Agaya Gangai Waterfalls Day 1. We have to climb down 1200 steps to get there, but trust me, the destination is absolutely worth it. That's the typical size of a single step to reach the destination. We need to descend 1200 steps. It's a bit of a challenge, but the experience and the view along it makes it worthwhile. What's the view, you ask? Here we go. The view. The struggle is real. We were constantly taking breaks. The best part about this journey is reaching the waterfalls. As we climb down the 1200 steps, you will hear the sound of the water growing stronger and stronger. Trust me, it is magical in every way possible. Viewpoint cage. Next, we visited the historic Harapalishwarar temple, a serene and spiritual spot nestled in the hills. This ancient temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and carries a rich history that echoes through its beautiful architecture and tranquil atmosphere. From there, we made our way to one of the most jaw dropping viewpoints in Kolli Hills. The sight was almost dreamlike. Vast valleys stretched endlessly, framed by towering mountains. As we stood there, the clouds drifted beneath us, making it feel like we were standing above the world itself. It was a moment frozen in time, where nature's beauty truly took our breath away. Our next adventure took us to the peaceful man-made lake at Kolli Hills, Vasalurpatti boat rides.
இருக்கேன் விராடி தம்பி நீ அக்காவை மாற்றி விட்டு நீ நானும் பண்ணுவோம்
சரி இப்போ நான் பண்றேன்
அம்மாட்ட கொடு
வீடியோவியா
நான் பண்றேன் ஸ்டாப்
இந்த ஒரு நிமிஷம்
நான் எந்திரிச்சிடுவேன்
எந்திரிக்கலாம் கூடாது, பேலன்ஸ் இருக்காது.
நான் இப்போ பண்றேன்ப்பா
ஜாலி. ஏய் தண்ணியில கை வைக்காதப்பா.
நான் பண்றேன்ப்பா
அசிட்ட நல்லா வண்டி ஓட்டுவான்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
தம்பி இங்கே பாரு
ஹெரால் இங்கே பாரு.
ஸ்டாப்
பாரு கும்பல் வந்துருச்சு தம்பி. சரி
ஓகே எடுங்க. ஏய் ஹெரால் சூப்பராக ஓட்டுற ஹெரால். ஏய் டைரக்ஷன் மாற்றுங்க. ஏய் வீடியோ எடுக்கிறேன் பிள்ளைங்களா. போடா.
Let's discover the agriculture in Kolli Hills. Day 2, pepper wine plantations. Finally, we made our way to Namma Aravi Waterfalls, a lesser known but equally stunning spot. The trek to the falls was a bit challenging, but the reward was worth it. Surrounded by unspoiled nature, the sound of the water cascading down was pure bliss. It was the perfect way to wrap up our adventure.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.